Hi guys, I'm going to explain a really touched topic which is prepayment and creating a PO with the prepayment. Let's start. Let's go to the accounts payable module, purchase orders, all purchase orders. While it is taking time to open the purchase orders, I may request you to please subscribe, like and subscribe my channel. I only required about 50 subscribers to get my first milestone achieved. Let's do it with the new purchase order. Yes, I have just clicked on purchase orders. Now I'm selecting a vendor, pick up any vendor, press OK. Your vendor is there. Need to check where the prepayment is. We have to go to the purchase tab. Here you can see the prepayment. We can click on the prepayment, description of the prepayment. We can have a fixed price prepayment or percentage, how much percentage we want to have as a prepayment. Let prepayment is the name. We can have a fixed, maybe you can give a value of 1000, or if you, and then pause because the limit for the prepayment is greater than the amount of the purchase order. Similar amount, we can have a 10 amount, maybe we can have a percentage of the figure because the prepayment amount is fixed in the configuration. We can check it later in any other video. If I may have time to upload any other video, I can let you know the configuration for the prepayment, but right now I am just giving a demonstration how to create a purchase order with the prepayment. Okay, let's create it with the percentage. Let's say 30% I will pay as a prepayment, and prepayment category we have to select from here. In any which category you want to do, this category is also a part of configuration. We can create a prepayment category or any. Right now I will select staplers as a prepayment category, but with the prepayment category we have to create a proper prepayment category named prepayment with the configurations, with the financial posting. This is just a demonstration. I will select over here item, maybe any of item I can select, and then I have to select the quantity, say 700, unit price 20, amount right now is 14,000. We have to confirm the purchase order. And after confirming the purchase that you can see your prepayment we can create. We have our option to remove this prepayment as well. Let's see over here, because we have a prepayment channel available, we can remove it as well. Let's see, we receive the product, purchase number we have to put over here, product receives number. Do we require ordered quantity? Yes, we have the option to receive now quantity, ordered quantity, registered quantity, receipt quantity, and registered quantity and services. Mm, right now I will select only ordered quantity, which is my number of unit. Let me see if it is giving 700 quantity. Right, unit price 400, 20 must be price. Okay. Okay, sorry, I just need to also create a prepayment noise before receiving. Let me create a prepayment invoice. I'm going in invoice tab, prepayment text invoice, and invoice number could be any which can be received from the vendor. Pre INV number could be anything from the vendor. Over here, text invoice date, CO text invoice date, today's date, let's say GST registered, maybe today's date or future date. See them, which is over here. My status total we can check for the prepayment. Discount is 21% with the customer. Okay, let me post this prepayment invoice. There are some issues with the prepayment account number for transaction time prepayment does not exist. This is because the configurations and posting profile. Otherwise, this is a process how to create prepayment invoice and then make the payment against that prepayment invoice through the vendor payment process. And after you receive and final, at the time of making final payment, you can adjust this prepayment. As it was just stopped because the account was not attached with the prepayment, I'm just trying to finish it out. I'm checking the pending vendor invoices which was stopped due to error. I'm just editing this one. Same editing, same invoices, this update status. Okay, and let me post it. The prepayment invoice will be posted because I have attached a GL account in the posting profiles. You can see over here I'm going in inventory management module. Let me go to inventory management module and I'll go in setup and in posting profile, in production purchase order. I'll go in the prepayment. I have attached in the prepayment a GL account which will be required to post the prepayment invoice. After doing this prepayment posting profile, I'll go back to and posting the prepayment invoice, accounts payable, same process, vendor payments, vendor payment journal. It is already created by me. Let me go to the lines. Let me create a new one. Let's do it. Vendor payment lines. Anyway, must be pointed on a form. You can have a multiple option. You can go to the accounts payable module and vendor payments, create a new vendor payment, remittance journal, new remittance journal is not created, although vendor payment journal, I'm not sure what happened to it. Let me check why it is blocking. Not in use, but still it is saying it in use. Let's see if it allows me to open. Yes, it is allowing me to open the journal. I'm selecting the vendor where I have made the prepayment invoice. Let me check if the invoice is there. Yes, you can see this is a prepayment invoice over here. Mark, I'm going to make payment against this prepayment. Bank is selected. Anything else required? No, offset account is already selected. Let me validate this channel. Okay, posting result for the page number, voucher number. Check number must be, because it is saying check number is it's a check. I will select electronic payment, then the check number will not be required. All good till now. And let me generate payment. We can generate payment or directly post. Generate payment will require when you generate payment, you have to submit that generated document to the bank, and bank will automatically process your payment. Now you can see the payment is made. And let me see all purchase orders. What is update on the purchase order? This is my purchase order where I have made the prepayment. And let me see the status of the prepayment. Prepayment remaining 0, prepayment application remaining. Okay, we have made one invoice, prepayment invoice already generated, quantity already received. See, in the invoices you have one journal, invoice journal. This is a prepayment invoice journal. You can see the voucher of this one as well. Voucher is not yet posted because it may be there in, let me go in journal ledger module and periodic tasks, sub ledger journal not yet transfer. Yeah, vendor invoice is there. This one we it, although it transfer in batch, but right now it is staying over here. We have to transfer it now for the demonstration purpose. Okay, let's go back, refresh it and check if the accounting voucher is there. Yeah, see, 4200 prepayment channel over there, accounts payable, and the GL account which is attached from the inventory module is there. Alright, prepayment is successful. We can create an invoice against the receipt. Yeah, it's a final invoice. No more pending invoices have unapplied paid prepayment invoice available to apply. Use the apply prepayment for apply prepayment value to the selected invoice. Yeah, this is apply prepayment. We have prepayment apply. This is select prepayment. Now total application amount is done. Applied. I have applied this payment. You can see over 14,000 is actual payable against invoice, and this prepayment is attached, and it is reducing the total balance. The final invoice 09, invoice final after applying free payment. Okay, sounds interesting. Date could be today's date, or maybe it will be receiving in future, but in our case we have update match status. Okay, let's see totals. So 14,000 a total amount, invoice amount 9,800 because prepayment is done. Settlement discount no will be available in cases so making a payment. Applied prepayment is 4,200. Alright, let's close this one, post this one. We have had some issues while because the configuration was not completed, but during this session I have also cleared or demonstrated how we can resolve some issues which can be encountered during creating a prepayment. But anyhow, I have completed the process. The purchase order is invoiced now. If you want to make a balance payment, we can check, we can go to accounts payable, all vendor, and the particular vendor where we have, this is our vendor, and in the vendor account we can go to transactions. Let me show you. Okay, these are the transaction where we have made 4,200 and invoice and then settlement. The prepayment is adjusted. Let me check. Only the open one, the 14,000 is open, but the balance is 9,800. Alright, because prepayment is already adjusted because it was invoiced previously. 4,200 was invoiced and 4,200 is paid, and the is auto it is also settled against the final invoice. Hope this is clear to you. We can complete this process by making a final payment to the vendor. Let me just make another payment for showing you what is the balance on the vendor side. Same vendor is selected. Let me see. Settlement, what is remaining is 9,000. It should be 9,800 because 9,800 is done, selected. We can make a final payment. Let's make it as a electronic payment and then post 9,730 because you have seen we have a settlement discount available. That's why it is showing us 9,730, and we have a settlement discount which is already applied. With this we can go over here, check general transaction, payment type, and settlement discount is already post available and applied on this vendor. I will create another video for settlement discount and upload on my channel. Hope that will also give you a good experience of creating a settlement discount configuration and how it works. But right now I'm closing my topic with the remark that please subscribe my channel and like the videos and comment on the videos if you would be requiring some other topics that need explanation or you want a training on. I will create those videos for you. For the time being, thank you very much.